If you're planning to use NordVPN on a more restrictive network, you're likely going to want to use obfuscated servers to keep things private and safe. So today, I'll walk you through how to turn them on in NordVPN, step by step, plus a few things worth knowing so everything works the way it should. And just a reminder, I'll include links to everything in the description. Basically, an obfuscated server disguises your VPN traffic so it looks like regular internet traffic. As a result, a network that normally blocks VPN connections has a much harder time spotting that you're using one at all. Now, the one thing you need to know before anything else is that NordVPN's obfuscated servers only work with the OpenVPN protocol. And by default, the app connects you using NordLynx instead. So as long as you're still on NordLynx, the obfuscated servers won't even show up as an option. And this is something a lot of people miss. So to start, open the NordVPN app and head into the settings. Then find the protocol option and switch it from NordLynx or from automatic over to OpenVPN. While you're in the settings, it's also worth making sure the kill switch is turned on. That way, if the VPN ever drops for a moment, nothing gets sent over the unprotected connection in the meantime. After that, go back to the main screen and look for the specialty servers section. Now that you're on OpenVPN, you should see obfuscated servers listed there. And finally, just select obfuscated servers to connect, or pick a specific country from that category if you need one. Once it connects, the app will show you're protected, and that's how you know it's working. And if you want to double check, you can look up your IP address in a browser. It should show the location of the server you picked, not your actual location. Now keep in mind, OpenVPN is noticeably slower than NordLynx, so a drop in your speeds here is completely normal. It's just the trade-off for the extra disguise, not a sign that something's wrong. Now, if the obfuscated servers aren't showing up at all, the usual culprit is the protocol setting. So go back and confirm you're actually on OpenVPN, because on NordLynx, that category simply stays hidden. And if you're connected but things still aren't loading, try a different server within the obfuscated category first, as some individual servers just work better than others on a given network. Something else worth noting is that NordVPN added a newer protocol called NordWhisper in 2025. It's reportedly designed for restrictive networks by making your traffic look like ordinary web traffic, though it's also said to be slower than the standard protocols. So if the obfuscated servers aren't getting through, that would be the next thing worth trying if it's available in your app. But it's also worth being honest about the ceiling here. So keep in mind that obfuscation still may not get through in the most heavily restricted countries like China and Iran, and that's a limitation of the feature rather than something you did wrong. And one last practical thing. Once you're back on a normal network, switch your protocol back to NordLynx, because otherwise you'll be running slower speeds than you need to. So just to recap real quick, head into the settings and change your protocol to OpenVPN. Turn on the kill switch, then connect through the obfuscated servers category. Then verify your location changed, and switch back to NordLynx when you no longer need the disguise. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments below, as I love getting to answer as many of those as I can. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, and I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.